Good morning, students. We are going to continue with the short story, The Client by Raja Rao. Nanjundaya asks Ramu to come to his home. Ramu was reluctant and said that he would come some other time. My son, he cried out helplessly. I'm awfully sorry. I had completely forgotten that I had an engagement at 6 with a friend. Nanjundaya took Ramu to Vishweshwaraya's home. It was a very big and fashionable house. Vishweshwaraya kept him so busy with questions what subjects he had chosen for his degree, where he lived, and how long he intended to stay in Bangalore, that Ramu hardly had any time to think. Somehow he felt uneasy. Besides this beautiful drawing room in European style, lampshades with birds on them, vases with artificial flowers, velveteen carpets on the floor, and magnificent gilt framed pictures of the English countryside. All this so bewildered him that he felt confused and lost. Suddenly, the door opened, and a charming girl of 11 or 12, dressed in a gorgeous Dharmawad sari of blue and gold, entered with a silver plate full of fruits and cakes and glasses of coffee, and placing it on the table by Ramu, went and sat between her father and Nanjundaya, her hands upon her knees, shyly, awkwardly. There was a cramped silence. Nanjundaya, who had been silent so long, turned dramatically towards Ramu and roared with victorious laughter. He had won. Ramu sat on his chair, his hairs on end, and feverish with indomitable hatred. Immediately he remembered the cat at the window. It licked its feet and, with quiet, sinuous movements, lifting up the head, glowered at him and fell on the autumn leaves below. In the neighboring room, his fat landlord with a large tummy and one eye sneezed. Once, twice, no, fallen in the trap, thought Ramu. Yes, he had. Would he marry the girl? My prince, royal prince, charming prince, eternal prince, you are my and I am yours, virtuous and adorable, my lord, my husband, sang the innocent voice. So, students, in this way, we see that Ramu has. We can say that although the ending of the plays of the short story is not clear that whether Ramu married the girl or not, or whether he agreed to marry, but we can see that he has somehow been caught in the trap laid by Nanjundaya, and Nanjundaya was all the time trying to convince Ramu to get married because it is his profession. And Ramu was a very innocent boy, and Nanjundaya just kept on saying so many things to him, and Ramu wanted to escape at a lot of times, but Nanjundaya just went on and on and on, and he tried all the tactics, and he emotionally blackmailed Ramu, and he said that he knew his father and his family, and it is so good to get married, and one day he'll become a big officer. And ultimately he takes Ramu to a person's home who has a daughter, and Nanjundaya, he acts as a broker between this particular person and Ramu, and he wants Ramu to marry that person's daughter, and that person's name is Vishweshwaraya, and that girl, she is a very young girl, and she comes clad in a beautiful sari and wearing beautiful ornaments, and then she sings a song for Ramu, and Ramu is all the time he's thinking that he had bad omens on that day. He saw a cat pass, and his landlord also sneezed, and he had some sense that something was going wrong in his life. And when he was sitting there listening to the song of the girl, he thought that maybe that day was not good for him, because he had no idea in his mind whatsoever that he wanted to get married, and this stranger, this man, somehow convinced him to at least to go to some person's home and see a girl who was singing for him. So this is the story, and it was a very very interesting story of about these basically these two characters, one of Ramu and one of Nanjundaya, and this role of a marriage broker or that Nanjundaya plays is so interesting, and from the beginning of the story to the end, how he executes his plan and how he convinces Ramu, that is very interesting. And eventually Ramu is he's sitting at a person's place and a girl is singing for him. So we don't know whether Ramu marries or not, but that question has been it is an open question, but it is true that he has come to a person's place, and he's seeing a girl who is singing for him, and Nanjundaya wants that Ramu should marry that girl. So how these all these incidents take place, and how Nanjundaya convinces Ramu to such a situation, this is the story, and it was a very interesting story. I hope you have all understood the story, enjoyed the story, and in our next class we'll read our next story. That is all for today. Thanks.